Alright, YouTubers. It's a cold and rainy day. And I'm going to cook something a little bit different. I'll tell you what it is now because it's probably in the title. I love BLTs, but I don't like tomatoes. So there's a place I used to go to that would make these for me. Basically, I'm going to make a BLC. Bum, bum, bum. Alright, so there we go. There's toast, cucumber, bacon, lettuce, I wanted to eat more salad, so I have lettuce. Bacon. Bacon. Get on there, bacon. Needs more bacon. Bacon. Cucumber. Now, I'm not a big mayonnaise fan either. So if you want to do stuff, do whatever you want. But if you were ever to try one of these, you might be surprised. It's pretty good. If you can get it all to stay in there, you. Alright. Bacon, lettuce, and cucumber. Have a great and wonderful day. Step 1, toast. Step 2, cucumbers. Then bacon. Then lettuce. Then more bacon. Then more cucumbers. Fold it up and eat it. Alright, YouTubers. Gonna do a quick lunch. Probably add this to another quick lunch. And it's some leftover London broil. I'm gonna cut it down. And speed it up. I gotta eat that bit. Alright. Sliced up nicely. Alright, next we have Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to slice up some of that as well. That's for me. Alright. It's time to shift everything. And move on to the next stage. Alright, we're going to heat up a frying pan. Alright, pan's heating up. We got some sriracha. Now we're going to put the meat in there. Put that around. Nice. Okay, now cheese. I'll put cheese on there and melt it a little bit. Okay. I got the toaster out. Turn that off for a little bit. Cooking in 2 square feet. We're gonna get this. It's gonna be good. I didn't get it. There we go. I didn't get it too hot. I'm gonna put the bread on a plate. On paper towels, actually. Move the toaster out of the way. It's always about getting everything out of the way in a Class B. Okay, so hopefully you can see. I think that looks like a good sandwich. Doesn't that look pretty good? Don't you think? Sure it's gonna be hot yet. Oh, it's greasy cheese. Cheese. Good. Oh man. That is a great use for leftover London broil. Hope you enjoyed. Quick and easy. Have a great and wonderful day. Honestly, when you're cooking or when you're doing leftovers, you don't have to be all that creative in RV. Stuff is easy to have great meals. Hope you enjoyed.